How to add your hometown on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your hometown easy and quick. First open VK and then click this icon here, click on your profile and then click these 3 points and click edit profile and then click profile. Scroll all the way down, here you will find hometown and here you can add your hometown and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.